How to add our own songs on Instagram story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your own songs on your Instagram story. So first thing, simply open up your Instagram application and click on your story, enter your story, and when you select any of your story, so let's say I'm selecting this story, and when you click on this music section, you can see there are all of the pre-provided songs from the Instagram. When you click on browse, you still cannot provide any of the song of your own, your customized song. So the only way to include our own songs on the video or reels is by pre-adding the song on that particular reels or story. So let me just show you that. So the thing you should be doing to add your own song in Instagram story is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded any of their applications such as UCOT or CapCut. So I recommend you to download UCOT or CapCut, or as well as InShot as well. So you can download any of your choice. So since I have downloaded UCOT application, so let me just show you. So simply open the UCOT application, and from over here just click on new project and select the video in which you want to add your customized music. So simply select the music. You can add your local music or simply select your random provided music. So let me just select this music over here and just click on use, and you can trim the music as well, just like this. And as you can see, I have successfully added the music to video. You can just mute the clip and the music will be played along to the video. So just click on save according to your resolution quality. So as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded and been saved to my device. So now what you can do is simply head back to your Instagram story, just like this, and click on your story option. And now you can see there are two different 5 seconds videos, one without any audio and one with just the audio which we have just added, our customized audio song. So let me just show you an example. As you can see, audio is being played. So that's exactly how you can easily add your own song in Instagram story. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.